when we touch the earth, bare feet on the grass, for example. I do it in the ocean whenever I go out of town. I go ground myself, or I go earth myself by getting in the ocean. I ground myself. I earth myself by stepping on the grass. Actually, I have a grounding mat right now that my mom gave me that I put at my computer, at my desk, and I've been using it. And my mouse it became a mouse pad, and it goes right underneath my keyboard. And you're asking, well, how does a rubberish looking mat on your keyboard help you ground? There's something interesting. When we figured out electricity and light bulbs and how to control electricity and bring power to people, when we first figured this stuff out, it was a remarkable new thing. It was beneficial. It started allowing us to have machines to take over human jobs. It started to allow us to do a lot of different things. Some are beneficial. Absolutely. I won't argue that. And some are not beneficial. Like as we mass produce all these shoes and everybody's wearing shoes and we're expected to wear shoes, and we walk into a grocery store or a what is it, a fast food? No. What is it called? I guess a fast food, yes, but I meant a convenience store, a gas station. It says no shirt, no shoes, no service. If you don't have a shirt on or if you don't have shoes on, you can't come in. Well, that's not the same way when I go to a third world country. When I'm in Mexico, I'm not saying Mexico specifically is a third world country, but when I'm out of the US, when I'm in the Philippines, when I'm in Costa Rica, a lot of the times, if you don't have shoes on, if you're not wearing a shirt, you can still go into the stores because it's more accepted there. It's just different in the US where I live. Well, what I'm trying to get to is when they figured out electricity, it took them some time to understand that they were causing issues, that the electricity could be scary, it could be dangerous. And they learned something. They learned that all they needed to do was get a third wire. It's called a ground wire.